Have Canva. Now, of course, this does require a sign up. You can use a free account on it as well. There is a paid option if you want that. That's up to yourselves, and that's another video. If you want us to expand that, we will. But for the free option, myself and Danielle are just going to walk you through what we use ourselves for this.
Now, with Canva, we use this mostly for thumbnails. Now, James is obviously phenomenal at thumbnails anyway. And I am only starting to learn them, and I've started to learn them off Canva. Obviously, James taught me everything from Canva.
So what we're going to go through here is basically Canva have a pre-built thumbnail for you that you can swap and change out. So if you like a template there all ready for your video, you can type in, you know, what your video is going to be about, and then they have a template. You can move stuff around. If you want more in depth on that, we'll do that in another video. Basically, this has a much easier interface, because one thing about it is, for people starting YouTube, or even if you're long in YouTube, a hard thing to get is the ratios and the dimensions for some pictures, where Canva has the template for a thumbnail and videos pre-built in. So that makes that easier, because if you're going from Photoshop, some Photoshop users, you know yourself, you have to go and search for them ratios, or you have to learn them. Whereas Canva, you can sign in, you're straight in, and you can learn it straight away. Your template's there. Sorry, I'll let Danielle take over before they keep going.
Like James said, they have their templates here. The thing scroll over, and we're just going to click on YouTube thumbnail, and then create your own. So create blank. Literally just press the plus down the bottom, pick your picture. There you go, pops in. And then on the bottom you have an option for text, and then you have an option for elements where you can change things, you can fix the designs. You can add arrows or emojis or stickers or anything else as well.
Yep.
And it's just all there, and you can mess around with it and make a thumbnail.
But the handiest thing about this, like Danielle was saying, for beginners, will always be the formatting of it, because formatting plays a big part of when you're uploading any of your content. So this will definitely be a must-have tool.
Canva also has, it's not just YouTube thumbnails it has.
Yep.
It has for mobile videos, Instagram posts, Instagram stories. You can make a logo.
Yep.
And it has documents in it as well, so you can type up documents if you need to do that for, say, vlogs and stuff like that too.
Yep.
So that's quite cool.